Hey, let me warn you. Hold your ear very well and listen to what I'm saying. I don't want to see you with my sister again. I want you to disconnect yourself from my sister. Disfriend her. See, allow her to concentrate on her studies.
Obiora, in Apwala, are you out of your mind?
You are the one that is out of your mind. Allow her to concentrate. Stop deceiving her.
Huh? You are a fool.
You are the one that is a fool.
Hey!
See, stop deceiving my sister. I'm telling you, stop deceiving her.
No wonder she beat you up the other day.
Get away here. Let me see my father's house again.
See, let me tell you. You cannot do anything. Right? You cannot do anything. You know you don't try him. See, you see the house? I will come, and if I hear beep from you, I will teach you a lesson you never forget. See, I am not your sister Akwadio. I am Abigail. Don't mess with me. Don't try me.
You want to? You hit me. You try it. You hit me.
Try
look at you. See, if you cut me, you see what I'll do to you. Look at your men. Look at you. Every time you are sharing, you come here, you give. You go here, you give. 3 years, you are still in the same class, SS3. You cannot even pass common WAEC. Look at you. You think I don't know what you do? You go everywhere, you go to town, you do Bakayoko together.
Because they go do in a command one. Look at who is talking. Obera, let me ask you. Did you finish primary 3 before you started this your nonsense mechanic work?
Not because I was a dull boy. Because my father could not afford the fee, so I decided to learn work. I'm a very brilliant boy, not like you.
Hey.
3 years, same class.
Bro.
See, I don't have your time, but you know, the next time, the next time you come to my father's house,
don't try me.
Don't worry.
Let
me see you. Let me see my father's house.
Don't do anything.
Okay.
See, I am not your sister. If you mess with me,
okay. Let me see my father's house.
Obera, you cannot do anything. You cannot do anything.
Don't worry. Keep sharing. Make you share.
Come and take it.
You are going to share. I don't want to.
Take it.
The sour one. Look at you.
Mugu.
I don't.
Go away. Get out of this place. At this one. Your father could not afford.
Go and share Begus.
And you talk about. I have not seen your mates sending themselves to school. Mugu. Hey, Gambia. Good for nothing, son. See, you see that your yellow face. By the time I am done with you, you turn black. Hey, come and take it, jealousy. Hey, take it. Mugu, that is what you are.
3 years in one class. Go and read your book.
Hey, Woo! Want to come and talk to Abigail? Try me. Try me. You not challenge Abigail. Try me, I'll teach you a lesson. Good. Take it. What kind of stupid question is that?
Abigail, you went to my makeup kit and stole my lipstick and eyeshadow without my consent, and you're asking me what kind of stupid question is that? Can I have them?
You're foolish. You're mad for saying that rubbish. You're this girl. Where did you keep your manners?
I have not insulted you. Yes, so can I have my lipstick?
No.
Give me my thing now! Give it to me!
Huh? I will not have you insult me. Do you understand?
Give me my lipstick. What is it?
Then I'm warning you.
What is going on here?
Mama, it's your daughter. Mama, warn Nena to stop insulting me in this house. Remind her that I am my elder sister.
Mama, every day this idiot will be telling people to warn me. Warn me? Do you think I'm afraid of you? Do you think I'm afraid of you? Mama, this idiot went to my bag and stole my lipstick and eyeshadow, and she's here claiming what I don't know. Which one is warning me? Eh? Who is warning me here?
Abigail,
huh?
Do you have her lipstick and eyeshadow? Kinyea.
Do you have it?
Mama, I have it.
Give it to her now.
Mama, I will not bring it out.
Why?
I will not bring it. Nena, do your worst. I said do your worst. Mama, this stupid girl, she had the guts to insult me just because of ordinary eyeshadow and lipstick.
Anya gana wakwara na property mad. Get a chakasi anya. Anya gana ibonyori. Give her her property.
Not that I cannot afford it, just that I don't want to buy my own now.
Then I'm
warning you.
Come on, give me my thing.
Who
are you warning?
Nena, leave my
I bet you Nena. Mama, She's not going anywhere. You will not go anywhere. Okay, the juice. You can go drink.
Hey, Roma. Huh? You said you needed money from your salary, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's alright. I will give you 7,000 naira before I leave tomorrow morning. And you get the balance once I'm back.
I have no problem at all. That one you won't give me now, so I get over. You can go. Thank you, ma. Roma, ma. Sorry.
I want to ask you for a favor. Can you do that for me? I promise to pay you handsomely once I'm back from the States.
Oh, madam. No. You don't need to pay me for anything, no, madam. I feel my person for your matter. That's how I like you rich. You don't need to pay me.
This girl, you will not kill me. Roma, you're not killing anybody here, okay? I will be traveling first thing in the morning. And I want you to keep an eye on my husband.
You know that?
Yes, your boss. The moment you notice him bringing any woman into this house, just call me.
I'll call you.
You should call me. I said you should call me.
Yes.
Am I understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Once I'm back from the States, I will pay you handsomely well. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Thanks, Oga.
Roma, I said yes. You can go now. Go.
Any work she see, she go do and go. As far as the money go come, to put your food for table. She say what man do, woman can do. What man do.
Who is here? Akwadi! Your love is here. Oh. My love.
Ogonodo. Emeka, what are you doing here?
My love, please. I come in peace. Please, my love, can we sit and discuss this matter? Eh? I don't know what is happening. I don't know what is going on. What is the problem? It's me or Emeka.
Have you finished?
My love. It's me. Remember the way we play under the mango tree, the way we run around in this field. I still love you.
Thank God you said it's you and it was then. It cannot happen again. The gap is way too much. It cannot work again. I am no longer in the same level with you. Because all I'm begging, Shebi, you love me.
I love you so much.
You love me?
Yes.
Please do me a favor, my love.
Okay, anything. Anything, I will do it for you. Please, just tell me. Anything, no matter what, I will do it for you. Just speak. Speak.
Leave and never return. Miracle, leave.
No, that one is impossible now. I cannot do that one. Please now, consider me now. Consider me. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I've been begging you since how many months now? You don't want to listen to me. Is it my fault that I'm poor? You kill me, my love. I'm still here. I'm still in your house. Keep that one like that.
Opportunity. Come on for you, you know make me mix. I don't want you to try this thing. I don't want you. Should be you know they hear.
I'm making just use your judge mind.
Come on for you, come on for here.
Okay.
Nina, calm down. I understand why you're angry. But you have to calm down. I'm begging you. We're all one, remember?
Which one? Which one? You people have decided to be on your own. So leave me alone. You people should continue with your runs. I gotta go mines.
Calm down, Okwano. Calm down. Eh? Okay, I know your problem. Don't worry. There's a new deal in town. I will fix you in.
I'm not interested, Ako. Please, let me go.
Wait now. Come back. Why the vest like this? Now, why are you so paranoid? I'm talking to you. Are you not my friend again? You don't want to listen to me.
Why are you begging her? Let her go if she's not interested.
Ako, did you hear your friend? Hey. Did you just hear her?
She didn't mean it. Chalo no. Hey, please calm down. Eh? Please, I will fix you in.
Ako, Ogini, what is it? Why you go to beg small picking like this? Now what kind of rubbish is this? Let her go.
Abigail. Nyanyanyo, Akuya. I don't blame you.
Oh, both of you should stop this now. Eh? Kwano, stop this. Eh?
Nena, if you talk back at me again, trust me now. Try me.
It has not gotten to that.
Wait. Abigail, you cannot do anything. You cannot do anything. You know that?
Aku, warn this girl. Warn this girl. If not, I will give her a brain formatting slap right now.
You will do what? Listen, that you are my elder sister should not make you think I'm afraid of you. I am not afraid of you. You know, I am not afraid of you. Never afraid of you.
Nena, don't dare me. Don't.
You should stop. If you fight,
if I dare you, what will happen? Village waka. Gin get me. Gin get me.
No, wait, don't fight, Don't fight,
What did you just say?
Tell your friend to be.
Nena, I am asking you, what did you just say?
She's pushing me.
It's okay, now don't fight,
Aku.
Abigail.
Nena, what did you just say? Say it again.
Abigail.
No, don't fight now. Don't fight. Oh my God. Stop.
Abi,
What is it?
Calm down now. Oh, Miko, please forgive me. Yeah? Oh, I'm very sorry.
See, I do not need any disturbance now. Do you understand?
I know, but please, just forgive me. Oh, I'm very sorry. Just tell me that you've forgiven me. I will let you be. You know, go. Oh? I want to go with you guys tomorrow.
Okay, you're forgiven.
My sister, thank you. Oh, thank you.
So you wanted to come and reform me?
Oh, I wanted you to beg me now. I'm your sister, I'm your younger sister. It's not everything I do you be putting your eyes on. Sometimes I want you to bet me now. What time are we going tomorrow?
Okay. Before I tell you the time, bring down your hand.
Oh, somebody cannot play with you.
I'm your elder sister. Bring it down. 10 a.m.
What are you going to tell Mama now? Where will you tell her we're going to?
That was not a problem. We will tell her we are going to the city for our school picnic.
Making sense of it.
Confirm, eh?
Akwadi.
Mama.
I'm asking myself, where are you going to?
Mama, how many times will you ask me this question? I told you before that today is our picnic in school. That is where I'm going.
Akwadi. Akaranti monogi. Ebu PC. Tenanti Sola. Did you tell your father you're going to picnic?
I was going to do that. But when I entered his room, I found out he already left. Please. What is it?
Which picnic? See, Aku, tell your people where you are going, no? Eh? Money rituals everywhere. Now you are going to the city. Have you heard that boys in the city, they now use women's underwear for money rituals?
What are you saying, Norbert? It is your own underwear that we use for ritual. What kind of nonsense talk is that?
Akwadi. Mama. Did you hear what your brother said?
He's not making sense. He's not making sense. What is he talking?
How would you know, Aku? How would you know? Eh? Nobody should come here. I will not come and...
Will happen.
Who taught you this promiscuity, Akwadi?
Answer, Mama.
I didn't train you like that. You can't stay one place.
Mama, you should be the one to tell us if you use saccharin or not. Please don't tell me that. Oh, I'm going. Nobody should call you.
Mama, tell her. If anything happens to her in the city, I'm not going to come out. Akwadi.
Obi around one. He can't go on with one. Every time Akwadi will keep perambulating, migrating like a bird.
Mama, I'm saying, Mama, see, you don't even know the daughter you have when you give birth to. You don't even know that she's doing opio. Ronsge?
Yeah?
Yes, pay as you go. That is what he's doing in the city. Oh. Tell her to come back. If anything happens to her, nobody should come here. Monkey go market one day. You not go come back.
My son, don't worry. Don't worry.
All right. Okay. Oh. You're going up and be jumping for one, be doing bakayoko, doing threesome, doing everything. Bring this one. No. You go to the city, you do bakayoko, you do pay as you go, you do everything, blah. Opio. You think we don't? You think I don't know? You come back with small money, you'll be buying it. All right.
How do I look?
You know now you look for
Thank you.
check me out. How do I look?
Hey, gorgeous.
Babe, how do we get there? Has he sent the address?
He has sent it now. It's in my phone. So once we enter the bus, I'll copy it out.
Babes, see ya. When we get there, let us try to behave ourselves. Let's package well, you understand now? So that they will not see us like all these village girls. Huh?
You are very right, you know. Now why I say we needed to upgrade ourselves.
And we have upgraded. So once we land, come on, 3 wise girls and go down.
I'm telling you.
From the village to the city, Esieba, Etinyeba, Ifano, Biom.
Uriama.
I'll be expecting some visitors this evening.
Oh, okay, sir.
Good. So you take this money. As you go to the market, buy more things so that we prepare meal for us.
Game over. Sir, I'm going to prepare very good meal. Maybe say once they eat them, everybody will sit down. Nobody will go out again, sir.
Please, don't cook the one that will make them stay. Cook the one that after eating they will be happy and go home.
Yes, sir. You understand what I mean by that? You understand me, sir?
You're a very funny guy.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay.
Bye-bye, sir.
Look after the house.
Bye-bye, sir.
Good morning.
Oriako, how are you?
I am fine. I am on my way to your house.
Is anything the matter?
Yeah, it's about that land under that baka tree.
What about it?
I think I have settled the matter of that land with you and your children.
I know. I know you have settled it, but I said, since I have cleared it already, let me farm on it. Let the money I pay the laborers not go to waste.
Let me ask you a question. Did you inform me before you entered that land?
Since I have cleared it, I pay the laborers a huge sum of money. After this season, you can take it back.
That has not answered my question. Did you inform me?
No, I did not inform you.
Good. Good. You see, you have other pieces of land you are farming on. Continue with them. Until I will decide to share the family land. But as for that one other Okpaka tree, nobody goes there. I am not ready to share it with anybody. It is my property now.
And I am begging you. I am begging you. You know I pay the laborers and it's a heavy amount of money. I want it to go to waste. Let me farm on that land. After this season, you can take it back. I'm not here to argue with you. Biko.
Well, as you can see, I'm on my way somewhere. I will think about it.
It's just for peace to reign. Because I know he's lying. He's not telling the truth. God, go do.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I was knocking at the front door, but no one answered me.
Sorry, the children are out.
I see. I see. As a matter of fact, I am just coming back from where I went in the morning, and I decided to come and see you. Yes.
Yes. Let me get seat for you.
Thank you very much. Hey.
So what will I offer you?
Thank you very much.
Can I be me fancy in the
Oh, don't worry. Don't
Don't
worry.
I cook too.
Don't bother about all that. As a matter of fact, I am just coming back from where I went in the morning. And I decided let me come and see you concerning what you told me in the morning. Yes. You see, Oriako, you are the one who is making things difficult for yourself. I have decided to grant your request. Yes. You can now go and farm on that land.
Hey.
Not only that.
Thank you.
I am ready to let you. I am ready to give it to you. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Hey.
Oriako. You see, you and I are not supposed to be having problems. As long as you cooperate with me. You are my late brother's wife, and I am supposed to be taking care of you.
Hey, I am happy you realize that. Hey, you're not talking like an elder in the family. Thank you. Oh, God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Hey, no.
That should be on one condition. You see, the death of my late brother has created a gap in your life, and I want to fill that gap for you, to make you feel like a real woman once again.
Oriade, what are you talking about? What gap are you talking about?
You see, Oriako, there's nothing confusing about what I've just said. You see, the death of my brother has led to your loneliness all this while, and it's not good for a young woman like you, especially when you have someone like me around you.
here. If rock all day. Oriako, what are you trying to do? Eh? Oriako, you are not a kid. Stop behaving like one. Eh? You are my wife and I'm ready to do anything for you to make life good for you. Eh? Provided, you see, let me have a carnal knowledge of you. If you come in the door, look at this man. He buy leprosy in our own. Give one more. Hey! Okanu, are you chasing me out of your house? If you call my name again, I will kill you. Don't you ever come to this house again to call my name. Get out. Are you chasing me out of the house? I better get out. Hey. Get out. Get out. Look at your man. Hey!
For nowadays, you they don't take it ready for house. From the village to the city, see if I not
It's late though. It's late. I don't understand. I'm tired. My back is paining me already.
They know they keep ready for house. It's in your back every day. So I go my I pass you on a new pool. If you go here, need me, Madame, oh, yeah, not the one way I know. Children of nowadays, they know they keep ready for house. From the village to the city, see if I not children of for nowadays, they know they keep ready for house. It's in your back every day. If I not
Ben, what's the matter? Chief, I want to get this straight. I hope you are not insinuating that we are going to take those girls to your house. Of course you are going to my house. Is there any problem? Why? I mean, this hotel is fine. The rooms are excellent. Everything is okay here. Why should we take them to your house? The rooms in my house, they are far more better than any room you can think of in any hotel in the country. I mean, I don't know why you're worried. Besides, my wife is not in town. Why are you scared? Why are you panicking? Chief, it's not saying I'm panicking. All I'm saying is that then you're worried a lot. Let's go back to the base and do that. Hey. If you say so, no problem. It's still a good idea. Well, nothing really. Let's go back to the base. This guy is a bad guy. No, but those guests are cute, man. Come on, in.
Children of nowadays, they know they keep ready for house. From the village to the city, see if I not children of nowadays, they know they keep ready for house. It's in your back every day. If I not so I go my enough for nowadays, they know they keep heady for house, from the village to the city, if I not children enough for nowadays, they know they keep heady for house, every day, if I not they are so I go my I pass you go on Nanuku. If you go here, Nini Madunemena, oh yeah, Nago,
Sorry, sir.
Why are you sleeping in the kitchen?
Yeah, I just chopped finished. Now sleep carry me, sir. Sorry about that, sir.
Anyway, take 4 bottles of water.
Yes, sir.
To the living room.
Yes, sir.
Then get our dinner set. My visitors are here.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Fast about it.
Yes, sir.
Any work she see, she go do up. As the money go to food for them.
It's not slept too deep. Don't you sleep? When this marriage, the visitors are here. I have to change my clothes. They give them water.
Chop it down, no game over. When I do my
Chief. Tony, you can see your room has air conditioning. It's super. It's comfortable. Everything there is working. Ben, let me show you your own room.
Well, Chief, nice place we have. But you see, I'm still not comfortable with the idea of bringing these girls to your place.
You see, I have told him. I've told him, but he insisted we must come here. I'm not comfortable at all. I don't know why you guys are worried over nothing. I told you my wife traveled out of state, so we have everywhere to ourselves.
Chief, your wife may have traveled to the state, but you see, that doesn't make any sense at all. Remember you told us you have a housemaid. Now tell me, what if she tells her when she comes back?
Oh, she's not that kind of person. Forget that. Chief, you are making a big mistake. Honestly. Well, if you insist, but what are they doing in the living room right now? At least we should be going to our living rooms to enjoy ourselves, you know? No. I want us, all of us, to eat together. Then, I've even asked my maid to prepare us food.
Chief? Hey, did you get that? Anyway, Chief, you see, I'm only concerned about your marriage. Of course, we all know the kind of woman you married. Right then?
Yourself. Relax, let's go and enjoy ourselves. Let me take you to your room. Chief.
Hi! Look at Munyenko. Money is good. Look at this house. Look at how beautiful it is. Hey!
Chief is very rich.
Rich! Now that area, hey!
Where did they go to? They just suddenly disappeared like that. Are you people sure that we are safe here? You are balancing. We are safe. Why did you even bring us here in the first place? Is he not supposed to take us to the hotel? Did you not say he's married?
He's giving us presidential treats.
course he's a married man. Did you not see the picture with him and his wife? He wants to treat us well. That is why he brought us here.
There's such a poor man. And from what's that the wife is late?
And she's not late. But maybe she traveled.
Man, I don't know where now.
Oh my God, this house is so fire. Where is this nonsense house help and the water now? Eh? Ha!
Place like City Day. How will I take reach here? How will I take enter inside this house? Eh? In fact, you wanna keep Mama? Eh? Hey! 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 How big here? Hey! Hey!
Is anything the matter?
No, not at all. Everything is very fine. Very, very fine.
Good, man. What are these bottled water doing on the floor? Come on, will you pick them up and serve my guest? Huh? I said pick up these things and serve my guest. Are you crazy? I said serve my guest water.
Yes, sir.
Serve my guest water.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Ben,
yeah.
Let me help out.
Chief.
Yes,
you need to give serve my guest water. I said serve my guest water. What's wrong with you? So, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy yourselves. Relax, eh? What are you still waiting for? Who your man? Or to serve my guest dinner?
I'll take it.
Chief, what is wrong with her? Don't mind her. At times she behaves this way. Go and serve them dinner. That's what I said. Yeah. So let's just have you enjoy yourself.
I don't understand what will happen. How Oga take know my sisters and Ako? How Oga take know Akudi? Hey? I don't see well. I can go back to look again. Now my sisters and Akudi I see now. Hey!
I will be traveling first thing in the morning, and I want you to keep an eye on my husband.
Minoga?
Yes, your boss. The moment you notice him bringing any woman into this house, just call me.
I'll call you.
You should call me. I said you should call me.
Yes.
Am I understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Once I'm back from the state, I will pay you handsomely well. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. You can go.
Now it's not going to do with this. So, now, madam, they want me about make I put my eye down. What do I want to do now? Eh? Game over. Madam, now they call me so. What's I want to talk? Hello, ma. I'm fine, ma. Oga? Oga is very fine, ma. We are very fine. Are they inside kitchen, ma? Yes, ma. Bye-bye, ma. What do you want to do now? Eh? I understand. Don't be a big voice at the hear inside that place. So now wetin carry my sisters and I can come here with that. Chief don't share them to your friends. You take this one, you take that one. Now wetin I wan do now? I don't fit go scatter the place. Now wetin I wan do now? Eh? Na me cause am. I for spoil everything the first time I see them. This chief now body. Chief body. This chief. Kill and chop. Oh yeah. Hey. Where is he? Maybe he's sleeping, but I'll wake him. Come on, open the gate for us.
Huh? You said?
Open the gates now.
How?
What do you mean how?
Who Nabi? We came back with Chief and his friends last night. Yeah. We want to go now. Just open it.
You came back with Chief? What kind of stupid talk is that?
Open this gate, let's go. Did you not see us last night with Chief? Did you not?
With Chief?
Uh-huh.
Now you open eye for me.
Hi, what kind of nonsense?
I open gate for Chief as he enter. I don't know, but Okona, come back with them. Oga, listen, don't be unfortunate. Open this gate now, let's go.
Let's leave. What is wrong with you?
Excuse me, this is what I do. Open this gate. Hey, don't be unfortunate. Are you sure you guys are not up to? I'm suspecting you guys.
This man is making me angry. Huh? This man is making me angry this morning. Listen, if you do not open this gate right now, I will go right in there and tell Chief what you have done. And believe you me, he will sack you. I mean it. Yes, I mean it. Don't tell me to be easy. Let me open this gate and let's leave this place. What kind of nonsense is this? You
are playing with me, old soldier, 7-star general. Chief know who I am before he put me into this gate. He positioned me to be on guard. Rufo, on guard. I'm on guard. Oga, please, I beg you, open the gate for us. We are late already. Oga, please. I want to open it. I'm begging you, This one where she dey shout. See, make I tell you, I no be me that they shout for. No be me that they shout for. And I lie. When I don't enter for night, I don't know, and I know my chief. He say, one thing, you know, Rufo.
What are you doing? You're giving him money.
Just take it. We don't want to miss our person.
Abi?
No, you will not meet your boss. Wait, man, go break it. You know we said that you. Whoa!
I'm sure you know the money you gave me is not about money. Calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. I hope you don't talk about money.
You know what you think? This one I get me. You don't collect from thief. At least you need to rotate me now. You're dead, oh, is there? Let me tell you, you're man there, man.
Uriyama no the tire. Uriyama no the doll. Uriyama no the tire. Any work she see, she go do a move. As far as the money go come, to put your food for table. She say, what man do, woman can do. What man do, woman can do. Any work.
Why are you sleeping here?
Sir?
I said, why are you sleeping here?
You know, sir, I don't sleep here. I just stay, make I sit down, I sleep carry me. I don't sleep here, sir.
You no sleep here? And I sleep carry you? What type of nonsense answer is that?
Sorry about that, sir.
Get me a cup of coffee and bring it to my room immediately. You cannot go and get me coffee.
Rufus! Urioma! Rufus! I thought I feel today, my blessed day. God, don't bless me today. Rufus! Good morning. I thought I said this God did my miracle day. I thought I said today God don't remember me. Rufus. I said good morning, you laugh. What's in there funny? Now they said to Togo, he never did. Some girls just come out from that gate. Now. They wrote me 5 days. See, make I take nobody. Now you, Urioma of all people. Now you stand here now they tell me good morning. Rufus, good morning. Which guy give you 500 naira? Those 500 years now. They don't come on. Yeah, you don't see them. Those 500 years don't live now. Where them they? They don't come on. You see, make I tell you, those guys say you need to fear them. You need to fear them. As I see them, I know say I can't suspect them. I know say they are up to something. If you say I want to take rush me, say make I go open that gate for them. Open that gate for them. I look at them and say, hey you, I know go fit to garage for my own position. Guys, I look free. Nothing gonna make me open now. You walk on, look me. Look me, come enter my mind. Let's see she understand. Then she put her hand inside her handbag. Come give me 5 hits. Hey, how many of them? 3. Now 3 years. See, one of them, if you see her eyes, her eyelashes, that's what it's for eye. That's what the thing did. If you see her eye, that's what I want to rush me say, come on, put it for me now. Oh, I go back and tell your master.
Where are they now?
So this is why they talk. You don't understand. I see you don't come on. Eh? He gets me. They don't tell me.
Hey, I found a last sleep carry me go. I found a last sleep catch me.
Any problem? Did they steal anything? Huh? You don't talk to me now. I thought I'm saying these girls, they are up to something. I thought I said they are up to something. I said they do
Children now for nowadays, yo. They know they keep heady for house, yo. From the village to the city, see if I know, children now for nowadays, na. They know they keep heady for house, yo.
Mama,
hey. Who was that?
Mama, your daughter now. Okojie, she's back.
Where is she?
She's inside. She has gone inside.
Can you hold a call on your silly? Can say? Okay, forget. You have to respect yourself. When I got brobo, it's in with Fenko. It's more. And Apola, you are the one that is very, very mad. See, you have to respect yourself. Not because you are grown and you have beard. You have this artificial beard. You think you can talk to me anyhow?
What is that? God, is something wrong with you?
Are you something they do?
Is your name Wakajube? Did I mention your name?
Meeting space for you in this house, Akwado. You just came in now. You started making trouble with your brother. Akwado,
Mama, why do you hate me so much? For crying out loud, this boy here is my junior brother. He shouldn't be talking to me anyhow. And you're supporting him. If he tries it again, I will humble him. I will humble him. Now, in Apola.
What did I say? When I said Wakajube, did I mention your name? Did I mention your name when I said Okay, wait. Now, if I say Opio, does it mean I'm calling your name?
You're a fool. You're a big fool.
Is your name Opio?
Akwade, you're a big fool. Follow. Get me down. Hey, open on me. You carry me off. You carry me off. You carry me off. You carry me off. Stop. Hey! Come on, let me stop. Come on. Let me Let me hear you coming into this house again.
Oh, no, it's up. See, okay, now.
Very stupid. Sit down. What do you say for? What do you want?
I know what you're doing in the city. Baka, you go.
Let me not hear your voice again. Let me finish what. Let me not just hear your voice again.
He's still like Nollywood film to me. I couldn't believe my eyes. For a second, I thought I was seeing a ghost.
sister really surprised me. And to think she has been lying to us that she's working in the city.
My sister? Ordinary housemaid. Common housemaid.
Hey.
Can you imagine?
See, I have this feeling that the reason why she slept in the living room was to monitor us.
You don't know. She almost spoiled our job. Thank God we were just lucky.
But Mama will really cry if we tell her what sister is actually doing in the city.
Hi! Do you see your sister in the city?
No, Mama. We do not.
But I heard you say something about her. What is she actually doing in the city?
We don't know, Mama. We did not see her. Did you see her? Eavesdropping on our conversation.
No, I don't think so. She didn't hear anything.
Hey! But sister will be surprised about how we left the house.
See, my fear now is that she might tell Mama everything. You know your sister now with her.
Hey. It's true. What do we do now? What do we tell Mama?
Nothing for now. Let us wait till she speaks. Then we'll have no option than to defend ourselves.
Abio.
Tell me why God no go bless Madam. Tell me why Madam no have the good come back to bless people.
Don't give you all this money.
Now, Madam, you know say I don't know say Madam get eating.
Madam, give you all this money.
Yes, no, Madam. Before, we just say no, God give me this car. God no get money. God no get one naira. God no get heart related to money. God makes you bless you. You just see what I did is showing. That's it. Hey.
Urioma, ma, can you remind me what I told you a night before I traveled?
Yes. See, we can watch your girl. Carry woman come. Give more matter.
And what did you do?
You know carry woman.
You know?
I only him sleep.
What did you just say?
Urioma, why did you choose to pay me back like this?
Why did you lie to me? You didn't lie to me? Urioma, why? I picked you from the gutter. I brought you into this house and I keep treating you like my own friend, like my own sister, and this is how you choose to pay me back.
My body, I feel down on top of your matter.
Why? Do you think I don't know that my husband came into this house with 3 girls? You think I don't know? Uroma, you think I don't know? Uroma, why? After all I've done for you, why? And Rufus opened up to tell me, he called me, but you, my friend and my sister, could not call me on the phone.
I don't know how to tell you.
Each time that I place on call on you, you keep telling me you don't have airtime to call back.
You know, say, you person, they fit the person one. Me, no go scatter house. House, I think, make I no go scatter. I don't know how to take talker. You understand me, ma? You just calculate and say, person will get sense. That's about to tell ma.
Will you shut up your mouth? Do you have sense? Tell me you have sense. No, no problem. You are not planning to bring in women into my house with my husband, right?
I guess wait.
You know what? Just go in there, pack all your things. You're leaving my house this moment. You think I'm joking?
They're going to make noise. 3.
What is this? Do you think that this place is your mechanic workshop? Will you get inside, pack all your things and leave my house? Okay, you want me to force you?
No, I want to like carry 3 girls. From 3 girls, then you carry from here.
Don't! I said you should leave my house. You think I'm joking? What's wrong with you? Get out! Get out! 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 Hey, God! Oh! I said get out! Get out! Is she still there? Get out of here!
Wait. Ijoma, are you sure of what you told me?
Auntie Amara, I am very sure of what I told you. If I am not sure, I won't be here. I'm very sure.
I know why I am saying this so. I know why.
Auntie, I saw them with my 2 eyes. I saw them. See, we need to hurry up before they leave the place.
This girl again. What do I want to village jail? I'll keep pesting no.
Rufus!
Okay.
Where is Urioma?
Urioma, she don't go since now.
Who asked her to go?
I don't know. You think I see her own money. That's why she carry bag.
I did.
Why?
Can I have my car key?
Rosemary, what is going on?
I said, can I have my car key? I have had enough of your insults and excesses in this house. From henceforth, you have to start staying idle again.
Rosemary, who upset you? Who annoyed you? What is going on?
You are an ingrate. Obani, I built this house out of my own sweat. I travel from state to state, from country to country, just to put food on your table. And this is how you will pay me back. By bringing in women into my house.
Who is telling
with all this? Shut up your mouth and give me my car key. Now. Obani, I say you should give me my car key. And the office key.
You are a
pig. Look at you. I cleaned you up. I made you the MD of my company. I gave you everything you want. I bought a car for you. After everything I did in your father's house, you have the gall to insult me, bringing in sluts into my house. Let me have the office key. Now. First, give it to me. And you.
Don't worry. Rosemary, I don't understand. Okay. What are you saying here? Why will we get out of this place?
Sorry. That is the place. There. I will wait for you here.
Why do you want to wait here? Are you not coming with me?
No. I don't want her to know I was the one who told you.
No problem. You have done enough for me already, okay? Hey. I will show them Pepe. Me in this village. She don't know who she's messing with.
See, Auntie, okay. You need to be very watchful. Because that girl is very smart. She might take off before you see her.
Leave that one to me. Leave that one to me. If they like, let them touch anywhere they want. Today, they go see fights, they go run. Don't worry, let me go.
Yes! Akwadi, you've seen nothing in this community.
I will keep teaching you lessons till you learn how to mind your business.
Oh yes.
Ugom, you are the most handsome man in this village. Yes, oh. And I love you so much.
Where's your?
I love you so much.
You can't say that again. Huh? You know what? Very soon, I'm going to make you the envy of all the girls in this place.
I can't
By the time I
wait.
finish, the world will say were you.
Oh God,
Jello keep an nappy courier now. No, keep an nappy courier. We'll go Pawagas. What are you doing here?
Me, Amara, what am I doing here? Look at you, Gonna. So this is what you do, eh? You left home this morning. Ordinary feeding money, you could not give your wife. All you could tell me was that I do not have money. Same money you do not have, you are here spending it on this rat. Eh?
Amara, please go home. I'm coming.
What? I should go home? Yes, you are coming. Hey! If you don't make it, eh? If you don't make it, eh? Okay, me now, Barora. To fear, you are not even ashamed of yourself. Dikeh. And you, Akwaji or whatever they call you. I have heard stories about you and married men. So now, it is my husband. Eh? You are my husband, okay? But let me tell you this to your face. I will never allow this to happen. Not when I am still alive. Yes!
Gonna, when your mad wife, she shouldn't hear me.
Don't fight me.
Not near you, Gini. No, not near you. Bring me! Ah! Dewa! I will deal with you. Dewa! Look at you! Me, Amara! What you know this person out this village, yeah?
Good afternoon.
I'm here to see your parents.
Mama! Mama! Oh!
Welcome.
Good afternoon, Akwadi.
Good afternoon. Welcome, man.
Please, I'm here to see you and your husband.
Oh, my husband. That's my husband coming.
Egbo.
Man.
What is going on here?
She just told me now that she wants to see us.
Nai. Please. It's your daughter, Akwadi. My knees are on the ground. Please. Let her leave my husband alone. It's all I have got, oh. Please. Let her leave my husband alone, oh. I know why I'm saying this, oh. Biko, what?
I said it.
Now, what is it?
Okay. Your daughter Akwadi has been having an affair with my husband. Yes! Just this afternoon. I saw both of them. You know this primary school? You know this tyre before the primary school? Yes. Akwadi, your daughter was drinking with my husband.
Wait. You mean my daughter, my only daughter, Akwadi, drinking with your husband in a chalet?
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure. Okay, not just that too. I even saw them holding each other as in very close. Hey.
Alu. Hey. Papa, Aku in a chalet.
Are you sure it's my daughter that you saw?
You know what? I have delivered my message. Just hold your daughter. Tell her to leave my husband. If I ever see her close my husband again, what I will do to her in this village, she will not believe it. I will so do something bad to her. One how? Doya Kananti. I'm up a
Nnaji, please. It hasn't gone to that extent.
Mama, what is it? Why are you calling her back? Leave her alone. Why are you calling her back?
Do you want her to start fighting?
Mama, stop. Sorry. Thank God her little secret is coming out little by little. When I told you people Aku is Opio, nobody believes me. When I told you she got to town to the city and said Beku, she's Beku seller, nobody believes me. Look at it. Don't worry, very soon so many people will come here to tell you her past. The things she has done in the past that you people didn't know. People will still come here and tell you. Nobody believes me when I told you people. Right? I told you people that my sister is the queen of Bakayoko. Do people believe me? No, but look at it now. She's in the chalet drinking Gouda.
I go inside now. Where will they go? Sister, we need to go anywhere. Or I go inside now. No, where you they go? No. On a serious note, this thing where they do no good. It's against human rights now. We still have freedom of movement. What is this now? Barrister. Do what you want to do now. Do what you want to do. Go inside. I don't come back to this village. I don't come for 12 now. Go inside. Go inside. Freedom of movement. Road safety. Go inside. You need to go anywhere. Go inside. I tell you now.
Sister, make I tell you. No be say we don't know what to do. Now respect to just the rest.
Do what you want to do now. Do what you want to do. You know what you want to do again? Where you want to go? Nowhere. Oh, you go inside. Where you want to go? I don't come back now. Do what you want to do.
Children of for nowadays,